Hello there, welcome back to Noor Social Media Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how to correctly install the Microsoft Edge WebView2 correctly. The WebView2 runtime is a redistributable runtime and serves as the backing web platform for WebView2 apps. First, open your web browser and search for WebView2. Pen this Microsoft Edge WebView2 website. Scroll down and select Evergreen Standalone Installer to install the Evergreen runtime in the offline environment. Now select your Windows version. If it is 32-bit, you can download the x86 WebView2 option. If it is 64-bit, you can download the 64-bit WebView option. After the program is downloaded, you can open the download folder and install it as an administrator. Hold off till it is installed. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Please give this video a thumbs up if it is helpful. As you see, it is installed successfully. Have a nice day.